How to draw the Chaos Emerald from Sonic, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing the Chaos Emerald, we're going to begin by drawing the very top by making a sideways oval shape. Now, on the left and right hand side of the oval that we just made, on the end points, we're going to draw small lines going down on an angle. These will be the top sides of our diamond. Let's draw a long curved line going from left to right to connect the end points of those two lines that we just drew. Then we're going to draw the bottom portion of our diamond. So now we have to draw the outline of the bottom of our diamond. So right beneath everything that we just drew and in the center, we're going to draw a small dot just so that we know where to aim everything. Now that we have that line drawn, let's go ahead and draw the sides by using straight lines that are on an angle. Wonderful! Now we're all done drawing the basic outline of our Chaos Emerald. Let's go ahead and draw the detail of the inside. We're not going to add any detail to the very top oval, just the two pieces right below. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, because then that will tell YouTube to continue to recommend our drawing content to other YouTube artists. And if you're new to Learn How to Draw Hub, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new community to grow with, then you're in the right place. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw the Chaos Emerald. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big like. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.